This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to quickly show how to change the presser feet on the Ultrafeed LS-1 sewing machine. When removing the outside presser foot, we recommend you lift the presser foot lift lever in the up position and turn the balance wheel so that the feet are at the highest position up. A flathead screwdriver like this one comes standard with all of our machines, but loosening these screws can be very difficult. If you find it difficult, use a larger screwdriver. Simply release the single screw, allowing the outside presser foot to come free. This screw only needs to be loosened. After the outside presser foot is removed, turn the balance wheel until the needle is at its highest position. This will make the process easier. The inside screw needs to be removed all the way. When installing a different inside presser foot, we recommend starting the screw with your fingers until it is snug up against the presser bar. Lower the presser foot lift lever in the down position. Use a finger to push back on the presser foot. Doing this ensures the foot is level, straight, and out of the way of the needle. Then tighten down the screw. When installing an outside presser foot, be sure the presser foot lift lever is in the up position, and make sure the presser foot bracket is at its highest position. Now, simply slide the presser foot underneath the screw and push it up so it rests firmly against the outside presser bar bracket. Then lightly tighten down the screw. Then rotate the balance wheel so that the feed dogs are in their highest position up. Lower the presser foot lift lever in the down position and make sure the presser feet teeth mesh with the feed dogs. Ensure the presser foot is level and snug against the screw, then tighten it down. Rotate the balance wheel to check for proper movement of the presser feet. The outside foot should lift up about 2 to 3 millimeters, then drop down flush with the needle plate. The inside presser foot should rise and drop in a similar manner, one after the other. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to contact Sailrite. Thanks for watching.